slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane. Slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane. Before we are going to learn slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane, we have to know about what is meant by slope of a line. See, when you go to park, you will observe some sliders in the park, isn't it? So this is vertical pole. For this vertical pole, one slider is like this. This is the slider. Next, for the another vertical pole, one more slider is also like this. Between these two sliders, on which slider you can slide very fast in this slider? We can slide very fast, isn't it? So here, like that only, when you take x, a line, horizontal line, that is x-axis like this, x-axis, one angle is, a line is making an angle theta. Keep this line as L with positive x-axis like this. Next, take another line that is also x-axis. For this x-axis, one more line is making an angle theta 2 like this. So this is the line M. Between line L and line M, which line makes more angle with x-axis? Theta 1, theta 2 are the two angles made by the two lines L and M with a positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So which line make more angle with x-axis? Definitely we can say that line M makes more angle than line L, isn't it? It means line M is the greater angle when compared with line L, isn't it? See, in these two angles, theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Theta 2 is an angle made by the line M. Theta 1 is the angle made by the line L with respect to positive x-axis in anti-clockwise directions. So theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Definitely we can say that line M has greater slope than line L. See, this is the slope of a line. See, once again, slope of a line means slope of a line. Here we need to know two things: steepness of a line or inclination of a line. You need to know these things. Steepness of a line. Steepness of a line is nothing but an angle made by a line with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is called steepness of a line. Suppose if you take x-axis like this, one line making an angle with the positive x-axis with positive x-axis. That is called inclination of a line. Inclination of a line is nothing but an angle made by a line with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is called inclination of a line. Next, slope of a line is nothing but inclination of a line is theta, then tan theta is called slope of a line. Slope of a line. If theta is the inclination of a line, then tan theta is slope of a line. After that, our main intention is we have to prove slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane. Slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. One point A, x1 comma y1. Another point, take this is B, x2 comma y2 in xy plane. So the distance from y-axis to the point is x coordinate. This is x1. The distance from point to x-axis is called y coordinate, that is y1. Next, like that only, here the distance from point B to x-axis is called y2. Next, the distance from B to y-axis is called x coordinate. So this is x2. From here to here is x2. Next, from here to here is y2. Here to here is x1. Okay. This is A, point A, this is B. Now join, you have to extend x1 up to y2 like this. Name this one as C. From here to here is x2, here to here is x1. From here to here is 30 kilometers. From here to here is 25 kilometers. Then what is the length of this one? 5 kilometers. How can you get this 5 kilometers? You need to subtract 25 from 30. 30 minus 25. That is 5 kilometers we will get. Like that only, here total length from here to here is x2, here to here is x1. Then what is the length of this one? Here to here, x2 minus x1. See, from here to here is x2. This here to here is also x2. These two are parallel lines. So the distance from here to here is same. Now, next, from here to here, total length is y2. From here to here. Next, here to here is y1, isn't it? Then what is the length from here to here? y2 minus y1. So, like that only, here total length is y2. From here to here, this one is y1. So, here to here is y1. From here to here, the distance is y2 minus y1. You need to see. From B to, name this point K. B to K, total length is y2. Next, C to K is y1. Then what is the length from B to C? B to C length is y2 minus y1. Next, join A and B. Like this. So, if you join B and A, we will get a triangle ABC. Isn't it? Take a theta, an angle theta. So, here 90 degrees we will get. If you observe triangle, take a triangle ABC. In this ABC, tan theta is nothing but opposite side to theta, that is BC, divided by adjacent side of theta, that is AC. Opposite theta, next adjacent side of theta. See here, what is the opposite side? BC. What is the adjacent side? AC. BC by AC. What is the length of BC? Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1 divided by, what is the length of AC? X2 minus X1. Isn't it? So, slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane is tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, generally slope of a line also be represented as m. So, m is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Theta is nothing but steepness of a line. Steepness of a line is nothing but an angle made by a line with a x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is called the steepness of a line. So when you include tan theta, then it will become slope of a line. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope of a line joining 2 points in xy plane. Isn't it? Okay, thank you.